This Motase 8-inch nonstick skillet frying pan is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It's designed to make cooking easy, especially for things like eggs and omelets. The nonstick surface means your food won't stick, and you won't need a lot of oil. This is great for making healthier meals for you and your family. Plus, cleaning up afterwards is a breeze, which saves you time and effort after you cook. The Motase 8-inch nonstick skillet frying pan has a granite coating. This coating not only looks good but also helps the pan heat up evenly. Because of this even heating, your food cooks better without hot spots. The pan is also 100% PFOA free. This means it's made without harmful chemicals, giving you peace of mind as you cook. It's a healthy choice for your kitchenware. If you are looking for a reliable pan for everyday use, the Motase 8-inch nonstick skillet frying pan is a solid pick. It's lightweight and easy to handle, and its size is perfect for single servings or small meals. While it might not be for big family dinners, it shines for those quick breakfasts or lunches. Think of it as your go-to for perfect pancakes or that flawless fried egg. It offers good value and makes cooking less of a chore. Pros: simple to clean, healthy cooking, PFOA-free, granite coating, durable build, even heating. Good for eggs, omelet ready, chef's style pan, compact 8-inch. Cons: non-stick coating lifespan, potential for scratches, not ideal for high heat, uneven heating. Possible: handle may get hot, durability concerns, limited cooking methods, cleaning could be tricky, small 8-inch size, material might be thin. Features: 8-inch, non-stick, skillet, frying pan, egg pan, omelet pan, granite coating 100% PFOA. Free, healthy, stone frying. This Motase 8-inch pan is great for eggs and omelets because it's non-stick. The granite coating helps food slide off easily, and it's made without PFOA, which is a chemical some people worry about. It's a healthy way to cook and easy to clean. This skillet can be used for frying and is made of stone-like material that is also non-stick. This Motase 8-inch nonstick skillet is designed for healthy cooking with its PFOA-free granite coating, making it good for eggs and omelets in a chef's style. Compact pan that's also simple to clean. However, the non-stick coating might not last forever and could scratch. It's not the best for very high heat, and there are some concerns about potential uneven heating, the handle getting hot, and the overall durability of its possibly thin material, which might also limit cooking methods and make cleaning a bit tricky due to its small size.